Every now and then something happens in finance that makes you stop scrolling, take a deep breath, and say, wait, what? Lately, I've been noticing a pattern. The kind of pattern that doesn't just show up in stock charts or random crypto graphs, but in the way people talk, the way companies move their money, and the way the big guys suddenly change their tone. It's like there's a quiet tremor under the surface of the financial world. No big headlines screaming about it. At least, not yet, but the signs are there. And the crazy part? Most people are missing it because it's not coming from Wall Street, and it's definitely not coming from the old-school banking system. See, for decades, we've been told that the most valuable assets in the world are the same predictable list: gold, oil, big tech stocks, maybe a few household name banks. The established order, as they like to call it, felt unshakable. But here's the thing. When the tide comes in, even the strongest-looking sandcastles start to crumble. In the last few weeks, behind all the noise about inflation, elections, and global crises, something's been quietly climbing, steadily, relentlessly, until suddenly it's standing shoulder to shoulder with financial giants that have been around for over a century. At first, I thought, okay, probably just another short-lived pump, seen it before. But then I started looking at the numbers, the volume, the institutional buys, the way companies far outside the crypto bubble are suddenly stocking up like it's the next gold rush. And then, the moves started getting bolder. One firm dropped $50 million into it, like it was just another Tuesday. Another publicly announced a plan to build one of the largest reserves of it in existence. We're talking hundreds of millions of dollars. Meanwhile, its daily revenues? Outpacing even Ethereum in some areas. And while traditional finance analysts are still sipping their coffee, this thing is quietly leapfrogged over some of the world's biggest corporations in market value. Companies like DBS Bank, MicroStrategy, even Nike. I'll be honest, when I saw where it ranked globally among all assets, not just cryptos, but everything, I had to double check. 191st place in the entire world. A valuation over $112 billion. And it's not Bitcoin. It's not Ethereum. It's not some new coin fresh out of white paper. It's BNB. Yeah, the same Binance Coin that used to be seen as just a utility token for paying lower fees on the exchange. Now, it's turning into a power indicator for the whole crypto market, maybe even a bridge between the digital asset world and traditional finance. What's making it so unstoppable right now? A mix of strategic fee cuts on its own blockchain, massive institutional buys, unwavering support from its founder, CZ, and a growing perception that BNB isn't just crypto money, it's an institutional asset. And when a digital token starts getting treated like a cornerstone in corporate treasuries, the game changes. So yeah, while everyone's busy watching the usual suspects, BNB is quietly rewriting the rules and maybe, just maybe, shaking the very foundations of the global financial order.